What time is the boarding time?
Our boarding time is between 11 and 11:30. Pedro will come and see me over. She would not go in like at all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chippin and you'll know what time it is. In this video, I'm gonna take you on a tour of the Navigator of the Seas, which is a cruise ship, and it's an amazing ship. This ship is huge and magnificent in every way. So once you get to California, which is where you board the ship, there was a bunch of people. I mean, there was a lot of people in lines waiting to get in, and you got to go through a whole lot of security processes to get in. One thing I'm gonna let you know is we did wait in line for about 2 hours before we started moving because there was a lot of people. This ship takes about 5,000 people, so you know it's gonna be long. Yeah. Going through all the necessary security processes, you have to go through a long stretch to get to the ship. First sight of inside of the ship is this magnificent place that greets you, and this place is just amazing. The interior of this ship is magnificent. It will overwhelm you. Like, every part of this ship is so magnificent. Like, you would want to take pictures every step you take. This ship takes you on a tour of Catalina Island and Mexico. Alright, so in this video, I'm just going to take you on a tour of the ship. Alright, there are a lot of amazing places, a lot of restaurants, a lot of stores, jewelry stores and all that. I'm going to take you in a lot of activities. The pool area is magnificent. You know what time it is. Ride along with me. Once you board the ship, you have about an hour and a half until your cabin is opened. So you just have the liberty to just go around and explore.
The back of your stateroom door and at the large print on your set sail pass. For guests who do not watch live check the demonstration video on the app, we'll give you a live presentation at your assembly station. For children between 3 and 11-year-old, youth safety wristbands can be found in your staterooms when it's ready. Please make sure to bring your children to the assembly station so that we can explain safety 1, 2, 3. Remember, the sooner you check in at your assigned station, the sooner you can get back to your location.
This here is the amazing casino, and trust me, this got busy at night. One other thing I loved about this ship is the amazing elevators. Like, they had two different elevators. One, the regular ones that everybody knows that you can just enter it and you don't see anybody, and these cube-like ones, right? That is transparent and you can see other elevators or other people, and this is just beautiful. There are a lot of things to do on this ship, and you can book these appointments online before you get to the ship. All right, so the ship has an app that has all the activities, so you can look them up and book whatever you want. So while still waiting for our cabins to be opened, we had already booked an appointment for massage, and you'll know what time it is. After the massage, I had an appointment for pedicure, and that's what's going on right now. One thing I noticed on this ship is most of the workers are from Jamaica, South Africa, Indonesia, and India.
This signal is for your awareness in the line. Thank you for your attention. Please stand by.
Push it some more. Oh shoot.
This is my first food on the ship. So after getting the pedicure, right, we just came out to the pool area, and there was this stretch of food stores, and there's this one that is a buffet, all right, and they sell mostly tacos. And yo, this was one of my favorite foods on the ship. I don't know a lot of the things on here, but all I know is I got guacamole, I got tomatoes, I got onions, I got some chicken, I got some beef, and some other things that I have no idea, and some spicy sauces that was so good. In all, this taco here was the bomb, man. It was really, really good. For dinner, we had booked already a restaurant on the ship, all right, and the meals came in courses, and it was so good. And was so filling that we could not eat all of it. This steak here is one of my best food that I had on the ship. You can never go wrong with steak, and oh my God, they outdid themselves. Oh, thank you.
Red wine, peppercorn, or Bernaise? Peppercorn. On the side?
Yes.
Okay, so that if you don't like, you can choose. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Research?
Yeah, I'll try that too.
Enjoy your meal.
This here is one of my favorite places on the ship. I call it the mall area because it has most of the stores that sell the jewelry, the drinking stores. Yo, like there's bars everywhere, left, right. That's where you can find all the happy stuff. I mean, most of the happy stuff. They got food too. You know what I'm saying? Time in this area, in this part of the ship, is like heaven, man. They throw up a lot of activities that is mostly funny, and you will enjoy yourself. There are tons of drink to try, tons of food to try. If you want to buy clothes, if you want to buy jewelries, they got you. To the time at night is packed with people. This is where most people spend the night at. It's lively, it speaks a lot to you. I mean, you can actually relate if you love to have fun like I do. One thing to notice is you don't need your credit card or your debit card to purchase anything, okay? So the ship gives you a card that has your name and your room number on it. In some stores, you don't even have to give them your card. You just have to say your room number, and they're gonna check on their little computer, and it will just pop up. Your picture will just pop up, your name will pop up, so they know you're the one. All right, so you buy everything with your card, not your credit or debit card, but a card that the ship gives you. Also, you can order for room service any time of the day. So this is breakfast, and it was so good.
The state ended up taking the blame for that case.
So the ship has an outdoor buffet and an indoor buffet. The indoor buffet has a lot more than the outdoor buffet. Oh my God, this indoor buffet has everything. And one thing I also noticed is that the food is not always the same. It changes every single day. They have a variety of food to choose from, and it's absolutely free. And eat as much as you want, as many plates as you want. I saw some people even take the food on their plates and put them in a tray and just take it to their bedrooms. Yo, just look at all that variety of food to choose from. This is amazing. The foods are good. They did not compromise on anything. They give you quality.
I'm gonna go back and get a salad. I got 4 desserts. Yeah, that's a cutie. That's good. Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Booked an appointment at the chef's table. This experience was very different. The food comes in very little portions, but oh my God, it's massively filling. Exciting thing about this chef's table is every portion of food comes with a taste of wine, all right? And every wine is different. We had 5 portions of food, and as a result of that, we had 5 different wines to taste.
It's made from red plum tomatoes. Red plum tomatoes are marinated for 3 days with balsamic vinegar and also some garlic, salads, basil leaves, and also some smoky liquid potatoes. Right in front of you, that's your soup condiment. This consists of focaccia croutons, sour cream, shaved parmesan cheese, and also some poached tomato wedge. I hope you enjoy, guys.
Thank you. With every portion, the chef will come and tell us what food it is, the ingredients that went into it, and how best to eat it, and all that. And also let us know it's better to eat it with the wine that came with it. You don't know what time it is.
This is so good. I love this.
In the bottom of pineapple is a heart of palm. Heart of palm. Alright, so the way you should enjoy from my side.
The homemade pesto sauce is made from fresh basil leaves, parmesan cheese, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, so everybody knows about the branzino. Actually, branzino is a type of siba.
With this chef's table, if you're not comfortable with alcohol, you'll be walking head down, rolling on the floor by the time you're done.
Aluminum steak, I'm marinated with rosemary, chopped thyme, garlic, and olive oil. And I'll cook as a request. And it will serve with truffle mashed potatoes and also potato chips. And sauteed vegetables like baby carrots, asparagus, and spinach. It will garnish with garlic chips and also shredded lettuce. For the sauce, I have bordelai sauce. The bordelai sauce is made from beef oju and also some red wine reduction. Hope you enjoy, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
So everyone, could you please help me to cut the fish?
Cream. Oh, that's
Oh, Mike Efwa.
yeah. I was like, that was fun.
We just put a J. That's it. And shout out espresso mixed with caramel as well.
Peanut butter cream with two sandwich ice cream. And also attach a gold dot on the top. It will serve with hot caramel sauce. Hope you enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, great job. Everything was awesome.
Wonderful job. Thank you.
Our next video is gonna be our stop in Catalina Island, and that place is amazing. I can't wait to share it with y'all.